A shocking 98% of active shooter events ends before law enforcement arrives. That means you are the immediate first responder. Are you equipped to save your life or someone else's? Forget bulky blowout trauma bags, they are not easy to carry. Today we're talking about compact trauma gear for your everyday carry that can make all the difference in any emergency situation. I'll also show you 2 small hacks I've utilized and trained others to use to better prep your equipment for maximum efficiency when deployed. What's up everyone, I'll be showing you 3 small pre-made kits that you can have on you at all times. All these kits are available at NorthAmericanRescue.com. My medical kit only consists of North American Rescue gear, which I use in the field on multiple emergency situations. So let's get into it. We'll be starting with a cheaper option, working our way up to more expensive kits. Starting off, we got the IPOK, or the Individual Patrol Officer's Kit, costing around $54.99. The least expensive option out of all 3 of these kits. This is a great entry point for EDC metal gear for the price. All your essentials in one small kit. The IPOK comes with 1 CAT or combat application tourniquet, 1 4-inch emergency trauma dressing, 1 North American Rescue wound packing gauze, 1 pair of black nitrile trauma gloves. The size of this kit is probably the biggest plus in my opinion. It's a very small kit and very easy to stow in any type of bag. This is a great entry for EDC medical carry. It's your bare bones medical kit, no bells and whistles with it. The second option is the FAK Resupply Kit, basic level, coming in at $67.29. A couple more dollars and you get a chest seal. The kit comes with 1 CAT tourniquet, 1 4-inch emergency trauma dressing, 1 S-roll gauze, 1 hyphen vent compact chest seal. It comes in a twin pack, and another pair of nitrile trauma gloves. This package is a little bigger due to the chest seal. It's a little harder to stow chest seals due to the packaging being flat and it takes up a little bit of area. Chest storage is always difficult because you don't want to fold it up. The third and most expensive option is this same exact kit, but for $117.99, you get a combat gauze with hemostatic bandage or quick clot for almost double the cost. This kit comes with 1 CAT tourniquet, 1 4-inch emergency trauma dressing, 1 combat gauze with hemostatic bandage, 1 hyphen chest seal twin pack, 1 pair of nitrile trauma gloves. This is the same exact pack, just with the quick clot, which some people prefer to carry over just regular bandages. So here are some quick tips to preset your medical kit for faster deployment. First off, take your tourniquets out of the packaging. In high stress situations, your fine motor skills deteriorate. Ripping open plastic with bloody hands is not ideal. You could also pre-stage your tourniquet. Take the strap and fold it back like this. This creates an already set pull point with a wide loop for deployment. You can also pick up some hockey grip tape, cut off some tape strips, and create some pull tabs on the plastic packaging of your chest seals, trauma dressings, and etc. This creates a bigger tear point for maximum ripping. In the event your hands are covered in blood, it is easier to grab onto grip tape than just plastic. That being said, one of these 3 medical kits absolutely needs to be on you at all times. It is understandable to not want to carry one of these on your actual person. I would strongly suggest that you have these stowed in your EDC pack or your vehicle, or better yet, both. Always remember, when you fail to prepare, you prepare to fail. Emergency services are minutes away when seconds count. Grab one of these emergency trauma kits and start your 2026 prepared. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.